Okay, now look at the camera. What's your name?
Maddox.
And what does that spell?
Maddox.
And how old are you?
4.
Can you read?
Yes.
Okay, you want to show us?
Sure.
Okay, ready? Hold on.
Got it.
Okay, here we do this. What is it?
Fox.
Good job. All right.
Elf.
Good job.
Dog. Dog.
Good job.
11.
Let's do else.
Try it again.
Dog.
Good job.
I thought it was 11 because they had 2 of these.
I saw that. Okay, now these 2 E's right here, they say their own name, okay? It's E. It has the E sound.
B, 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 e.
No, that's just long E. E, just E.
B, e.
Okay, what is it?
B.
There you go. All right, let's try this one.
A.
Ah, short A.
What is that?
P.
P, pa, pa.
The 2 P's, they make 1 P sound. They don't make 2.
Apple.
Good job.
I didn't even read all of them.
I know, you figured it out, huh? Shorty.
Int.
Try it again.
Tent.
Good job. That's a short U. You just learned that one, remember? Like an umbrella. And, okay, look at the word.
Sun.
Good job. Here's a big one. That's B. Just one B sound, okay?
D.
No, B.
B.
Mm-hmm.
B.
B.
Rat.
No. And then you have the I and the T. Ab.
Rabbit. A.
Shorty. Look at the word. You only have one more after this one.
No, it's 2 words after this one.
No, those are letters.
2 letters.
Shorty.
Ab.
No, look at it again. Shorty sound. That's a shorty. Shorty is E.
Set.
No, look at the end. Short starts at the N.
Eh.
Nest.
Good job. That's the J sound. J is
J.
Jeff.
At.
Shorty.
What starts with egg?
E.
Shorty sound. Look at the word.
E.
Good job.
J. E. J.
Good job.
Way to
Good
go,
job,
buddy.
buddy.
Five.